Now, a Channel 4 News investigation has exposed a high-tech security loophole, which means top-of-the-range cars can be driven away without the owner's keys. Many cars now have a push-button fob instead of the traditional metal key. Thieves have discovered how to create copies of these electronic keys. BMW, one of the marques affected, has acknowledged the problem and is offering customers a fix. Porrick O'Brien has this report.
Gone in 180 seconds. It's the dead of night. A gang swoop on a car parked in the owner's driveway in Sutton Coldfield. No elbows through the windows. They didn't even have the key. Not a swag bag or a crowbar in sight. This is all man bags and handheld computers. They push it off the driveway quietly and once out on the road start the engine and drive off. Here's how they did it. Thieves have ways of getting an arm into a car without setting off the alarm. We can't show you how that's done. Then they use an expensive computer like this one. Independent mechanics often use them legitimately. The criminal plugs it into the car's computer and the machine downloads the vehicle's security data onto a blank key. Computerized key cutting. Needless to say, we've got permission to do this to show how this crime works. This is all a mock-up, but this next story is all real world. In January, Vinnie Galley left for work, walked out his front door and his car had vanished.
Initially thought somebody had possibly borrowed it, my brother or something like that, and then when she sunk in that the car's been stolen. Chilling to think that a car which is supposed to be 5-star security rated can be taken within sort of 15 minutes.
He wasn't the only one who struggled to believe what happened. It was all so high-tech, so did his car insurance company. Without this CCTV footage, he feels they wouldn't have paid out. We haven't been able to find out how many cars have been stolen in this way. We have found out that from September last year, BMW started engineering a solution to this problem into all their new cars. And today, they told us that for the first time, if any owner of a BMW is concerned, they should contact the company and will be offered a solution. They went on to say,
"This is something which affects many brands. However, organised criminals have targeted particularly desirable cars with higher value parts, and that is why BMW is among the brands affected."
We know that there has been a spike during this year of theft using this method. However, manufacturers are aware of it and they're all working on countermeasures to make sure that going forward the vehicles are not susceptible.
Car crime is falling in the UK thanks to clever engineering. But as smash and grab becomes synchronise and download, the criminals are catching up.